anything. Nothing. What the fuck?
What was this? Stop now. You're going to be arrested if you run.
It's not our fault you're only 5'5".
You didn't do anything.
A viral clip showing anti-ICE protesters being arrested outside an ICE facility sparked outrage across social media. But what happened before the arrests may change how you view this encounter. Before we get to the arrests, let's first take a look at the events that led officers to respond. On July 7th, 2026, officers responded to a call for service at a Department of Homeland Security facility operated by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. According to Cedar Rapids Police, officers initially contacted the demonstrators and made it clear they were free to peacefully protest, provided they did not block vehicles or interfere with employees entering or leaving the facility.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
All right. Hey, we just got a call from the facility that you guys were out here, and they said you were blocking traffic. I don't see that.
No, there's not enough of us.
They have 1 million cameras. We don't block the traffic. We get the license plates of the cars when they leave, but I mean, there's like 4 of us. We can't block a car, and we don't try.
Okay. Yeah, as long as you're not blocking their access to their building and walking in front of their driveway and stuff. If you guys are here, I think you should be okay.
There's one guy who was yelling at us, so maybe he's saying that like we were getting, I don't know, in his
Was
way.
that maybe like 30 minutes ago?
Probably.
Yeah.
I mean, they were filming the cars that were leaving, but we have it on video that they aren't blocking the cars.
Are there more from your group over by the entrance there?
No, I think there's one person over there.
One guy over there?
Yeah,
Okay.
Her husband was detained, and we want to know when he leaves, so we're just keeping track of the cars coming out.
Okay. We'll probably go talk to him, make sure he has the same message you guys have, but if you guys are here under the shade, it should be all right.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. Do you guys need anything from us? No? Okay. I should be good talking to that other guy.
I grabbed that trim piece that was going to pinch was on the roadway. 10 for 6 on the position. 10-8, thanks.
Hello. Hey, I just talked to I'm assuming you guys are together over there.
Yeah, we know each other.
I told them I was going to come tell you the same thing. We just got a call that you guys were blocking like in and out traffic.
Oh no, they got out just fine.
Okay,
We moved out of the way as soon as the gate opened.
if that's the case, fantastic.
Yeah.
They just asked that you don't block the gate.
Yeah, no, I totally get it.
Yeah,
the
so
gate shouldn't block it.
if they're attempting to come or leave, just give them the ability to do so.
We definitely are.
And I don't think there will be a problem beyond that.
Sure.
They just called us, so we're here. How long do you guys think you might be here today?
For a while, I think it depends. I mean, they're detaining people that don't need to be detained, so that's why we're
track
here.
of things. People are wondering where their husband, where their
Yeah,
wives
the
went.
lady out here.
So
I'm just curious
it's up to
because
the citizens
we'll
to be able to do
we'll
that.
probably get more calls today.
Probably will, yeah.
Do you guys have an estimated time of?
Not at all.
So,
It's up to them. It's really up to the people inside if they would.
Okay.
They keep detaining
when
people.
the
but you think
appointments
most
are
of the
happening.
day it's going to be the same group?
You should ask them. Ask them if they keep detaining people, we'll stay. If they don't,
Okay.
then we'll leave.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
But then
Yeah.
I know
you guys work
I'm just saying,
about information.
you guys are being cool with me, so if we get another call, I'll probably
No, you're great. I know. I
I'd be
understand
more
what you're
likely
doing.
to
I understand
dismiss
you're-
it if it's the same
yeah.
people out here because
It's-
you guys aren't causing problems.
Yeah,
They like
here's
to
the
call the
thing.
cops a
If you
lot.
ask them
Okay.
if they continue to detain people and they say no, we'll go home.
Well, I can't even get in there.
But they
You know
work
what I mean?
with you guys, so there should be some
Occasionally.
connection. No, you guys work together. You guys are like roomies.
Okay. I just can't go in right now and ask them that
No, I
question
know, but
for
there's
you.
phones. We can call
Okay.
and ask. But I'm just saying, if they continue to detain people, we are going to stay here because what
Okay.
they're doing is detaining people for being brown.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why we're here.
Okay. Just
They've never detained a white person. I've never seen a white person come out of here.
If you guys want to record them in and out, fine with it.
Oh, absolutely. And we are stepping
Yeah.
aside as soon as they come out.
Okay.
There's no risk of anybody getting run over.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, I appreciate what you're doing though.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Shortly after officers left the scene, they received another call reporting that individuals were blocking access to the facility. After returning to continue their investigation, an officer attempted to contact an individual identified by Department of Homeland Security staff.
Hey, what are you doing? I need you to stop. Stop now. Stop now. Please stop. You're gonna be arrested if you run. You're going to be arrested if you run.
What, sir? Literally for what?
I don't know if you start one more unit.
How could I be arrested? I'm not doing anything.
I need your ID.
I don't even have it.
I need your ID. You don't have it with you?
Don't. Sir, I know my rights.
That's fine. I know them too. Yeah, you too.
Me what?
Hey, listen, I'm not done.
No,
You're coming with me. You're not running. No, you too.
I'm gonna go watch.
No.
I'm protesting. You don't
You
have
can
a right.
stay over here.
No, stay nowhere. You're not my fucking dad.
4, can you start one more unit down here to Square D? It's the ICE office. Hey, you're going to go to jail.
Nothing.
You're next. I want you first. You're coming with me.
For what?
Let's go. I told you to stop. You're coming over here because I have an investigation I was given. Let's go.
Doing
Let's go.
He hasn't done anything.
I have done
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Do not touch me.
I'm not gonna be fucking touching you. No, let him
Sir,
go. He didn't
I have done.
Yeah,
Nothing.
well, I told you to stop.
Stop what?
That's
running
not-
from me.
For what?
I was not running from
Don't. Let's go over to the
Fuck
police
you.
car.
All he's doing is
To
documenting.
the police car now.
Are we not
Are you
allowed
going to go to
that?
jail?
Why are you doing this?
Because I need to identify you and I told you to stop.
You didn't know.
I need to talk to you and
I
her.
am just fine. I was doing nothing.
Are we not allowed to document?
Yes, you can document all you want.
Protest. This guy's a Nazi, just like the rest of them.
Why are you guys working with ICE? We're not doing anything.
It's not our fault. You're only 5'5".
I'm not going.
That's fine. You can sit right here.
I have rights.
Well, you do have rights.
And you're
And I will
violating
remove
them.
those rights if you
done
go against the
nothing.
law. Okay?
I've done
against the law.
nothing.
Listen, back up. You back
I have
up
done
right now.
Nothing.
Back up now. Back up now.
It's not okay.
Back
No,
up
what
now.
you're not doing-
You
you're
are
not
not
okay.
following a lawful order, which is to back up. Back up. Back up now.
Name one
Get
thing
back over
that
there.
I did.
You're gonna identify yourself.
One thing.
You back up now. Back up now. Back up over there.
Name one thing that I've done.
He hasn't done anything.
He did nothing.
He hasn't done anything.
I have done nothing.
What are you guys gonna do? He hasn't done anything. You didn't
I've
have a
literally
right to
done
protest. We
nothing.
haven't broken any
One
laws.
more unit.
What are you gonna do? For what?
What did I do?
What? Yeah, say something. For what?
I have done nothing.
10-4. I just need one more. That'll be fun. And
Nothing.
one more. I've got it under control now.
Because we don't like them fucking deporting brown people for being brown? You guys are assholes. Say something. He's not
It's fine.
doing anything to
Hey,
you.
Whatever.
So-
I
You guys are
did
so
nothing.
No, you're no. Listen. When I told you to stop, you got to stop.
What? He
That's
wasn't
the
doing
order.
anything.
Listen,
being in the public.
you're also going to
What?
be in trouble if you don't back up. 'cause
I'm
you're
not doing
interfering.
anything.
You are. You're interfering with my
No, I'm not
investigation.
You
He's not
investigating?
stopping
What
you.
are you investigating?
Nobody
Well,
stopped
you'll
you.
see when we get here in a
Nobody
second.
did anything. Nobody did
It's
I don't
good.
want you
Once I get one
behind
more
me.
unit here, I'll
I do
fix it.
not want you behind me.
Hey,
Can you
you've
step
been.
away, please?
Thought you were retired.
This looks like harassment.
So,
This
you?
looks like harassment. You guys
Yeah.
are harassing people. You're harassing people. That's what you're doing.
Who are you?
He didn't do anything.
we're gonna. I'll be good if you guys need to go in. I think I'll be fine now because I got one more shot.
You're not being helpful.
Yeah, where'd you guys come from in there? You guys Nazis? Are you?
Hey,
you?
I need your. Hey, I need your name.
No, I'm not giving you my name. I know my rights, sir.
Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
just wondering.
Well, I'm gonna get your name before I'm done. Okay. And I'll tell you why I'm getting your name.
You
Okay.
acting like an asshole.
So, it's involving your obstructing government vehicles here at the facility.
I did
Nobody
not do
obstructed
that.
anybody's vehicle.
Okay.
They not
I
I
never
want you.
obstructed
Then what's
anything.
your name?
I'm not giving you my name. I know my rights.
Okay.
Amen. You're not an idiot. This man's educated, unlike the three of you.
He has done nothing
I
wrong.
have done nothing wrong.
He's
Nothing.
literally, of all of us, he's done the least wrong. Just throwing that out there. You're just being an asshole.
Rather than stopping, the individual immediately turned and ran toward the facility gate, ignoring the officer's repeated commands to stop. The officer quickly pursued and detained him while requesting additional units, as several protesters began gathering around the arrest. According to Cedar Rapids Police, Scott Boylan was arrested and charged with interference with official acts. As officers attempted to take him into custody, another individual moved toward the arrest and, according to police, interfered with the officers' efforts. According to Cedar Rapids Police, Anya Mari was arrested and charged with interference with official acts and harassment of a public officer or employee. Let's continue with the remaining footage and take a look at the second arrest.
And you just chase me down and carry me by my arm over here.
Yeah, for no reason. For no reason at all. He didn't do anything.
I'll tell you why.
We were in a parking lot.
You all are going to be very educated when I get done.
Yeah.
So, we'll start with her.
Please.
Go ahead and put her in handcuffs and put her in your car.
Put me in handcuffs for what?
What? She didn't do nothing.
No, tell me what I'm being arrested for. Tell me what I'm being
anything.
Tell me what
She did nothing. What the fuck?
Don't resist.
Fuck you.
Don't resist.
Get the fuck off her.
First time you ever had a woman down on her fucking
Just get her in cuffs.
You fucking piece of shit. Fuck you.
Stay right there. Don't move.
No, don't grown as fuck.
You can back the fuck up. What are you doing?
That make you feel good to throw me on the ground?
Back the fuck up.
No, Marie, knock it off. No, Marie, get the fuck back.
Why do you need to be on her like that? Get
Get her
the fuck
identified.
off
No, Marie, get
She was ordered to get back and she refused.
No, Marie, get
Body
back.
slam her for fucking
No, Marie, get
You don't
back.
get to resist.
You're next. So let's go. Stand up. Stand up.
Get back.
Let's go. Stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
Ayla.
Stand up.
Big strong men you are.
Get on the ground.
Fuck all of you.
I'm on the ground.
I'm sorry.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Let's go.
I said the opposite.
Two grown men body slam on the fucking ground.
What
Fuck
are
you.
you doing? Seriously.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you doing this? Hey, what am I being detained for?
You're
I am
unfair.
a U.S. citizen who has done nothing. Sir, can you stop this? Nope. That hurts.
Nope, you're going into custody right now.
Why am I going into custody? Can someone tell me that? Like, I have rights. I have rights. I am a
Well, we
citizen.
tried, but you don't want to talk to me, so.
Are you kidding
And you
me?
made it very hard when you start running from me.
Here's another angle of the arrest from a second officer responding to the scene.
So, we'll start with her.
Please,
Go
start
ahead and
with
put her
me.
in handcuffs and put her in your car.
Put me in handcuffs for what?
She didn't
Step
do
over here
nothing.
for me.
No, tell me what I'm being arrested for. Tell me what I'm being fucking
Anything.
for.
She did nothing. What the fuck?
Don't resist!
Fuck you.
Don't
Fuck
resist!
you. Fuck you. Fuck off her.
The first time you ever had a woman
Now,
down on her fucking
Just get her in
stomach,
cuffs.
you fucking piece of shit. Fuck you.
Stay right there. Don't move.
Grown as fuck. Fuck you.
What are you doing?
That make you feel good to throw me on the ground?
Back the
No,
fuck
Marie.
up.
No, Marie, knock it off. No, Marie, get the fuck back.
Why do you need to be
No,
on her
Marie.
like that? Get
Get
the
her
fuck
identified.
off
No,
her.
Marie, get
She was ordered to get back and she refused.
No, Marie, get
Body
back.
slam her for fucking
No, Marie, get
You don't get to
back.
resist.
pussy.
No, Marie,
You're
get back.
fucking pussy. Both
No,
of you.
Marie,
Turn this way.
get back.
Fuck
Sit up.
you.
Fuck you. Fuck you,
Stand up.
Nazis. Fuck you.
Big strong men
Walk back
you
here.
are. Fuck all of
Listen,
you.
listen. Any of you
Walk back here.
one-on-one, I'd have whipped your ass.
Walk back here.
Any one of you one-on-one, I'd have take you too. Fuck you. This is bullshit. Now, Marie, take
You
my
don't get to
phone.
resist.
Hey, my keys are on my windshield wiper. My keys are on my windshield wiper. This is bullshit. Nobody did anything. Nobody did anything.
Yeah,
You know that, right?
You don't get to resist.
No, listen, I'm talking
You
to you
stay
on...
back.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stay back.
My keys are on my windshield wiper. Get my car home.
Okay. Sit in the car.
The First Amendment to the United States Constitution protects the freedom of speech, the right to peacefully assemble, and the right to petition the government to address their grievances. Those protections include the right to peacefully protest, even outside government buildings, and on matters of significant public concern. However, those constitutional protections do not prevent law enforcement from taking enforcement action when officers have probable cause to believe crimes have been committed, such as unlawfully obstructing traffic, blocking access to a government facility, or interfering with officers performing their official duties. According to Cedar Rapids Police, those alleged violations, not peaceful protest itself, formed the basis for the arrests in this case. As always, I encourage you to watch the complete footage, consider the full context, and draw your own conclusions. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters, what tactically matters, and the lessons that can be learned from critical incidents across the country. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. We'll see you in the next case.